Great. I look forward to seeing you next week, and thank you.
So what are you up to, Brandi? Who are you talking to?
Oh, I'm talking to a couple of contractors. Ryan and I are thinking about redoing our upstairs.
You mean the area that was a man area with all the pool tables?
Now it's going to be my zen place.
Well, that's great. Now, if you're thinking of remodeling too, you should stay tuned because we have some great tips. If you're thinking of remodeling or adding to your home this year, it's important to plan in advance. The vision for your new space is important, but there is some things you need to consider in advance of starting.
Before you start getting a place, a number one thing you want to do is have your budget in line. So go ahead and talk to a couple of contractors, get those quotes, and also a big thing is always have a cushion because you're always going to end up going over your budget.
Zoning and paperwork is really important. Before you start breaking ground, make sure you review all your paperwork and the laws that apply to your property in this project. You want to be compliant. Now, another thing is insurance policy. You really want to make sure you have an insurance policy because just in case something goes wrong, you're covered. Knowing all the aspects of your project is very important so you don't incur additional fines or delays, or maybe even the whole project has to stop.
Another thing to consider when remodeling or renovating is space planning. Sometimes bigger isn't always better. Make sure you know what you're going to be using that space as far as visualizing what it'll be used for and making sure it's efficient.
And finally, interior preparation. Construction causes a lot of dust and can cause potential damage. Now, when I was redoing my remodel, it was really easy for us because we rented a couple pots. It's just a suggestion because you want to be excited once you move into your new space.
If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all of our current and future videos. Remember, it's your home, your lifestyle, and
We are your real estate team.